Hello sweeties! I have Cuticula's June subscription box unboxing to share with you today. This subscription consists of 2 mystery shades, all inspired by a specific theme each month. But for those of you who rather not be surprised, Amanda allows me to share the current subscription box spoiler at the end of my video, as well as releases a spoiler newsletter and an event in her Facebook group during the subscription sale window that shows what the polishes look like. I'll have more info for that at the end of my video. On to June subscription box swatches. Remember, this is a spoiler video, so if you have purchased this box and haven't received it yet and still want to be surprised, do not keep watching. So June's theme was Alice in Wonderland, and this was the graphic shared in the group as our only heads up of what the polishes would be inspired by. First up we have Unbirthday, described as a baby blue with lime, green, and blue shifting shimmer and small silver holographic flakes. Shown here in 2 coats, you may need 3 if you have a longer free edge. It does dry with subtle texture, so a top coat is needed for a full glossy finish. First shown under studio lighting, and then lower lighting. You can see the lime green and a bit of the blue shimmer in the brighter light, but once under the low lighting, the polish base becomes a darker shade of blue and that green shift really takes over. Shown here in 1 coat over black. And here we have Treasure Cat Smile, described as a ruby jelly base with glowing red, pink, green, and gold iridescent flakes and black flakes. Shown here in 2 coats, you may need 3 if you have a longer free edge. It does dry with some texture, so a top coat is needed for a smooth glossy finish. First shown under studio lighting and then lower lighting. All the flaky shifts are visible in both the studio and low lighting, but the red and gold shifts of the flakes really pop out under the lower lighting. Shown here in 1 coat over black. So there's no way I can pick a favorite this time. I very much enjoyed both of them way too much. I love the shiftiness of Unbirthday and the blue that reminds me of Alice's dress, and the squishy jelly goodness plus the flakes for Treasure Cat Smile is really fun too. So which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments. The Alice in Wonderland box is no longer available, but if you join the Cuticula Facebook group, you may get lucky with someone destashing it. Okay, so as promised, I have spoiler photos for July's box, which is still available to grab now, so keep watching if you want a sneak peek before subscribing. For July, Amanda was inspired by Good vs. Evil and went with Ariel vs. Ursula from The Little Mermaid. This is the graphic shared in the group, and again, only keep watching if you don't want to be surprised. And here they are. I'm obsessed, but I may be a bit biased because I helped her design these ones, so I very much doubt I'll be able to pick a favorite. I seriously can't wait to share the unboxing video with you next month. I'll leave a link in the description box below to share where you can sign up for the Cuticula subscription box, as well as a link to her Facebook group where you can find spoilers each month and subscribe to her newsletter. The June Good vs. Evil Little Mermaid subscription box is available now until July 20th, so you still have a few days to go subscribe to this one, and it's available for $24 plus shipping. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!